right? 10, 23, 60, 169, 434 and so on. Find the 12th term in the series. Please write down a note. If the difference between the consecutive terms forms a GP series. If the difference between the consecutive terms forms a GP series, then nth term is given by a into r power n plus phi of n. A into r power n plus phi of n. Now phi of n is a function. Phi of n will be a linear function if the difference between the terms forms a GP series in 2 steps. This will be a quadratic function if the difference between the terms forms a GP series in 3 steps. If the difference between the consecutive terms forms a GP series, then nth term is given by a into r power n plus phi of n. Now if you look at this series, 10, 23, 60, 169, 434 and so on. So this will be 13, this will be 37, this is 109, this is 325, this will be 494, not 434, 495. This is 24, this is 72 and it is 260. Difference between the consecutive terms is forming a GP series in 2 steps. So nth term will become a into r power n plus bn plus c. Here r value is 3. Yesterday we discussed what happens if the difference forms an AP series. Now it is GP series. 1 equivalent to a into 3 power 1 plus b into 1 plus c. First term is 10. T2 will become a into 3 square plus b into t plus c. This is 23. T3 will become a into 3 cube plus b into 3 plus c. This will become 60. If I subtract 6a plus b, this is 27 minus 9a, 18a plus b. So this will become 13, this will become 37. This is 12a and this will become 24. So this will become 12a equivalent to 24. Next 6a plus b equivalent to 13. A plus b plus c equivalent to 10. This will give you a value 2. This will give you b value 1. This will give you c value 7. So Tn will become a into r power n plus bn plus c. Bn plus c. C is how much, sir? A is 2, b is 1.
3a plus
3a plus now 1 minute.
3a plus a plus b plus c. D1
3a plus b plus c. 3a plus b plus c equivalent to 10. So c equivalent to 7. This will become 3. 2 into 3 power n plus n plus 3. It's a very important question. If the difference between the consecutive terms forms a GP series, then Tn equivalent to a into r power n plus phi of n. Phi of n is a function. It will be a linear function if the difference is in 2 steps. Quadratic function if it is in 3 steps. So for this question, nth term will be of the form a into r power n plus bn plus c. A into r power n plus bn plus c. 2 into 3 power n. AP generic definition is if the difference is forming in n step, nth term will be a polynomial of degree n. Here if the difference between consecutive terms forms a GP series, Tn is a into r power n plus phi of n. Please write down a note. Question clear, right? Tn is a into r power n plus phi of n. D is 3a plus b plus c 10. Substitute, you will get c equivalent to 3. Idea clear, right? Note, please write down. This question came in IAFT. Geometric mean. Please write it. Geometric mean. Two important key points. Geometric mean for 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. Geometric mean for 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. Generally, how we will do is fifth root of 1 into 3 into 9 into 27 into 81. Now instead of that, geometric mean of any number of terms is given by square root of first term into last term. Square root of first term into last term. Answer, root of 1 into 81, 9. Geometric mean is always given by square root of first term into last term. Two important key points. Geometric mean is always given by root of first term into last term. Square root of first term into last term. Is one. Next. Second key point. If three sides of a triangle are in geometric progression, if three sides of a triangle are in geometric progression, R always lies between root 3 minus 1 by 2, root 3 plus 1 by 2. If the three sides of a triangle are in geometric progression, R lies between root 3 minus 1 by 2 and root 3 plus 1 by 2. This is because if the three sides, if I call it as A, AR and AR square, sum of two sides is greater than third side. Difference between two sides is less than third side. Combine both the conditions, you will get this. If three sides of a triangle are in geometric progression, root 3 minus 1 by 2 less than R less than root 3 plus 1 by 2. Second one. Next. This question clear? Now, please write down a note. Find the number of integral roots. Find the number of integral roots for the equation f of x equivalent to x power 1000 minus x power 500 plus x power 100 plus x plus 1 equivalent to 0. Find the number of integral roots for this equation x power 1000 minus x power 500 x power 100 plus x plus 1 equivalent to 0. Now see here, this is a constant. Now can I say, suppose if the question is ax square plus bx plus c equivalent to 0, product of the roots is c by u. What is the degree of this equation? 1000. What will be the product of all the roots? Constant by the highest power coefficient. That means, what will be the product of all the roots? 1. Product of all the roots is 1. Product of all the roots is 1. But what is the question? Integral roots. If all the roots are integral, 1 means what will be the cases? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, or minus 1 into 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and it's. That means product is 1 means either it will be 1 or it will be minus 1. Substitute 1. Is it equivalent to 0? 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1. No. Minus 1. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1. No. Answer is 1 and minus 1 is not satisfied. 0. All the roots are integral roots. Product of all the roots 1 means what will be the cases? All will be 1 or all will be minus 1 or even number of minus 1s or even number of plus 1s. If minus 1 and 1 are the roots, it should satisfy the equation, right? It is not satisfying the equation. It's not satisfying the equation.
So this product of roots will always be positive.
Product of the roots? No, here it product of the roots, it all depends upon right? If suppose if there is an even odd power, ax square plus cx plus d equivalent to 0, then it will be alpha beta gamma is d by a minus b by a c by a minus d by a. Now even if it is minus 1 also, if it is minus 1 or plus 1, answer will still be 1 or minus 1, right? Right. Even if the sign is 1 or if the sign is minus 1 also, it makes no difference. Because the power is 1000, it will be. Next one.
If it would have satisfied, then 1000.
1000. If it is satisfied, then it is the root.
Then
Right.
1000 roots, right?
Yes. Now, if it is not 1, suppose if it is a 10, what will be the answer? If it is a 10, then we have to take all the factors of 10 with plus or minus sign and we have to cross check it. That's it, right? Next. Another good question, sir. A, B, C, D are positive integers. 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 B power 3 by 2 equivalent to A. D power 5 by 4 equivalent to C. B minus D equivalent to 9. Find the value of A minus C. Find the value of A minus C. Now, by looking at the question itself, we will get some conclusions. A, B, C, D are positive integers. That means A is a positive integer. This is B power 3 by 2. Can I say B should be of nothing but a perfect square? Because if B is a perfect square, only x square, 2 will get cancelled. D power 5 by 4 is a C. That means D should be a fourth power, 5 power 4, equivalent to 9. X square minus y into x square plus y equivalent to 1 into 9. X square minus y is 1, x square plus y is 9. So 2x square is 10. From there you will get all the values. Right? Please write. 1 into 9 or 3 into 3. From here you know it. So sorry. X minus y square, x plus y square. X minus y square into x plus y square. X plus y square is 1 into. So from there, x minus y square, x plus y square, 1 and 9. 2x equivalent to 10. X is 5, y is 2. So here, b is nothing but x square, d is nothing but y power 4. From there, B and D you will get, so that you will get A and C. This is a very easy question. Next one. Find the integral values for m comma n. Find the integral values for m comma n. Find the integral values for m comma n such that it satisfies the equation m cube plus 6m square plus 5m equivalent to 27n cube plus 9n square plus 9n plus 1. M cube plus 6m square plus 5m equivalent to 27n cube plus 9n square plus 9n plus 1. Now see here, this is nothing but m into m square plus 6m plus 5 equivalent to 27n cube plus 9n square plus 9n plus 1. This is m into m plus 1 into m plus 5 equivalent to 27n cube plus 9n square plus 9n plus 1. can I say that this is nothing but this is divisible by 3? Why divisible by 3? Suppose if I take a number m, when it is divided by 3, either 3k or 3k plus 1 or 3k plus 2. 3k into anything divisible by 3. 3k plus 1, 3k plus 1, 3k plus 2, 3k plus 6 divisible by 3. 3k plus 2, 3k plus 2, 3k plus 1, 3k plus 3. It is divisible by 3. That means this is nothing but divisible by 3. See, when I say m plus 1, m plus 5, it is nothing but product of 3 consecutive only. Because m plus 1, m plus 2. What is the next value? M plus 3, m plus 4, m plus 5. M plus 5 is nothing but plus 3 of m plus 2. Product of 3 consecutive numbers is always divisible by 3. This is 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 divisible by 3. Is 1 divisible by 3? No. No value. When I write, you do like this. M plus 1, m plus 8. It is also divisible by 3. Because m plus 8, 3 minus is m plus 5. M plus 5, 3 minus. Product of 3 consecutive numbers is always divisible by 3. Product of any 3 consecutive numbers is always divisible by 3.
But they are not consecutive.
No, m plus 1. Instead of m plus 2, I am writing it as m plus 2 plus 3. m plus 1, m plus 2 plus 3 into. 3 into is anyway divisible by 3. Next. Find all the remaining. Next one. Find the sum of all the reminders. Right? Find the sum of all the. Question clear, right? Very easy. Find the sum of all the reminders. Find the sum of all the reminders when n power 5, 5n cube plus 4n is divided by 120. This is also an easy question. Reminder 1, n power 5 minus 5n cube plus 4n divided by 120. Now if I take n common, this will become n power 4 minus 5n square plus 4 divided by 120. This is nothing but n into n square minus 4 into n square minus 1 divided by 120. This is nothing but n into n minus 2 into n plus 2. n minus 1 into n plus 1 divided by 120. Can I say these are 5 consecutive numbers? n minus 2, n minus 1. n plus 1, n plus 2. 5 consecutive numbers is always divisible by 120, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 120. 120 divided by 120, 0. Product of any 5 consecutive numbers is always divisible by 120. Product of any 5 consecutive numbers is always divisible by 120. Any 5 consecutive numbers is always divisible by 120. Same like product of any 3 consecutive is divisible by 3 factorial. Product of any n consecutive numbers is always. Next, one more question. I'll solve 3 questions at a time. First one. Yesterday's workshop, some pending questions we are solving. I need to give 500 rupees using 5 rupees, 2 rupees and 50 rupees. I need to use only 20 notes. In how many cases it is possible? So total 20 notes I have to give. X plus y plus z is 20. This is 5x plus, I think this is 20 rupees. 20y plus 50z equivalent to 500. X plus 4y plus 10z equivalent to 100. If I subtract 3y plus 9z equivalent to 80. This is divisible by 3, this is divisible by 3. Is 80 divisible by 3? No. That means by using 20 notes, you cannot give 500 rupees using coins in the denominations of 5 rupees, 20 rupees and 50 rupees. Not possible. In the sheet it is rupees 20, it is written as 2. Please make the correction. It is 20. It is 20. 2 also is not possible. 5x plus 2y plus 50 is equivalent to 500. Right? You multiply by 2 and try to subtract it. Same thing, it is not possible. Next. One more question. ABC belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ABC belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many values it will take such that 2a plus 3 power b plus 5 power c is divisible by 4? 2a plus 3 power b plus 5 power c is divisible by 4. This is also a very easy question. This is nothing but 2 power a, 3 divided by 4 is minus 1 power b, 5 divided by 4 is 1 power 6. If I put a value 1, this will become 2. For it to be divisible by 4, this sum should be 2. See, whatever value if I keep it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 power anything will become 1. This is 2, 2 plus 1, 3, this should become 1. For it to become 1, B should be an even number. Even number means 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4. If A is 2, what is 2 square? It will become 4. It is divisible by 4. That means I will make this sum 0. This is anyway 1. This is anyway 1. But for the sum to be 0, what I will do is I will take B odd numbers 1, 3 and 5. Same case is valid for A2, A3, A4, A5. That means total how many cases? 4 into 3 into 5 plus 1 into 2 into 5.
They should be distinct, no?
70. Where it is? Because alphabets are different, you are calling it as a distinct. It is not mentioned, so you will take right repetition is allowed. He said ABC belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ABC belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 power A plus 3 power B plus 5 power C is divisible by 4. So because it is divisible by 4, divide the numbers. 3 divided by 4 minus 1 power B, 5 divided by 4 1 power C. If A is 1, 2 power 1 will become 2. The remaining sum should be 2. Anyway it is 1, so it should be 1. So B takes an even number. A value 2 onwards, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5 is divisible by. So it is divisible by 4. This is 1, so this should be minus 1. Clear? Now please write down a question. A die is rolled 3 times. Please write down this question. A die is rolled 3 times. A die is rolled 3 times. Now you write down like this. A die is rolled, first question 3 times. A die is rolled 3 times. Next one 5 times. Please put a star mark on this question. 8 times. How many ways exist? How many ways exist? how many ways exist such that no two consecutive heads appear. How many ways exist such that no two consecutive heads appear? No two consecutive heads or no two consecutive tails, both will be same. Answer. No two consecutive heads appear. No two consecutive heads appear. Now see here. It's a very, very interesting question. If a die is rolled only once, either I will get head or tail. Not die, coin. A coin is rolled once, either head or tail. If I roll it twice, if a coin is tossed twice, I will get head, tail, head, tail. No two consecutive heads appear. This is deleted. Now we got the answer. This is how many cases? 2 cases. This is how many cases? 3 cases. This is nothing but a Fibonacci series. Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2. N greater than or equivalent to 3. If a coin is tossed 3 times, what will be the answer? 2 plus 3, 5. A coin is tossed 4 times, what will be the answer? 8. Coin is tossed 5 times, 13. 6 times, 21. 7 times, 34. 8 times, 55. Please put a star mark on this question. A coin is tossed 2 times. If a coin is tossed 2 times, I will get head, tail, head, tail. Right? I should not get 2 consecutive heads, that is deleted. So it is nothing but a beautiful application of a Fibonacci triplet. Fn equivalent to Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2. 3 times 5, 4 times 8, 5 times 13, 6 times 21, 7 times 34, 8 times 54. Write down another question. A person can take only 1 step or 2 steps at a time. A person can take either 1 step or 2 steps at a time. A person can take either 1 step or 2 steps at a time. In how many ways can he reach 10 steps using only these 2 steps? In how many ways a person can reach 10 steps by using only 1 step or 2 steps? 1 step or 2 steps? 1 step or 2 steps? His minimum distance is 1 step, maximum distance is 2 steps. Now see, a person can take 1 step only in 1 step. A person can take 2 steps in by using 1 2 ways, 1 plus 1, or by using 2 this way. A person 3 steps. 3 steps means 1 plus 1 plus 1, or 1 plus 2, or 2 plus 1. That means this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Again it is a Fibonacci. So F4 it is 5, F5 it is 8, F6 it is 13, F7 21, F8 34, F9 55, F10 89. A beautiful application of a Fibonacci. Either 1 step or 2 steps. First step only 1, second step 1 plus 1 or 2, third step 1 plus 1 plus 1 or 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8 and so on. Last one more question. Clear, right, this one? A beautiful application of Fibonacci. A building has 10 floors. A building has 10 floors. In how many ways can I color this building? A building has 10 floors. In how many ways can I color this building? Using two colors. Using two colors, green or yellow, such that no two consecutive floors has the same green color. No two consecutive floors has the same green color. No two consecutive floors has the same green color. A building has 10 floors. Each floor can be colored by using either green or yellow. In how many ways can I color this building such that no two consecutive floors has the same green color? First floor, either it is green or it is yellow. Second floor, no two consecutive same green color. If it is green, it will be yellow. If it is yellow, two combinations G or Y. Wherever Y is there will be two combinations G or Y. Wherever Y is there will be two combinations G or Y. Wherever G is there, Y. It is growing in terms of Fibonacci series. Again it is 2. Again it is 3. Again it is 5. Right? That means F4 will be 8. F5 will be 13. Please keep solving. 10th floor it will be 144.
So can we solve this using PNC?
Yes, PNC method also. First floor I can do it in 2 ways. Second floor 3 ways. Now PNC, algebra, first floor 2, 3, 5. Next one 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. Difference between the terms is constant in 2 steps. This is 2a, this is 3a plus b, this is a plus b plus c. Just an application of Fibonacci series. Right? Just write down another 2 questions. How many? I'll write these questions, sir. We have to discuss a lot of questions. It's clear, right? How many 4-digit numbers are there? I'll write down here. How many 4-digit numbers are there? How many 4-digit numbers are there such that by removing the leftmost, remaining 3-digit number is 1/9 of the original 4-digit number. There is a set 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19. How many different integers? How many different integers can be expressed as a sum of 3 distinct numbers? As a sum of 3 distinct numbers. Next, f of xy equivalent to x square plus 13y square minus 6xy minus 4y minus 2. Find the minimum value for this expression. Next one, x square y equivalent to x plus 4y plus 8. How many positive values, natural numbers, xy will take? These 4 questions will solve. There is a 4-digit number A, B, C, D. If I remove the leftmost number, remaining 3-digit number is 1/9 of the 4-digit number. How many different integers can be expressed as a sum of 3 distinct members from this set? What is the minimum value for this expression? This kind of questions comes in exact exam set. How many natural numbers? These are easy questions. How many different integers can be expressed as a sum of 3 distinct members? If I take the lowest sum, what is the lowest sum? 1 plus 4 plus 7, 12. If I take the next 3, what is 1 plus 4 plus 10? 15. If I take the next one, what is 1 plus 4 plus 13? 18. Can I say that? Because that elements in the set has got a 3 common difference, 12, 15, 18. What is the maximum value? Minimum is when I take the lowest 3. Maximum is when I take all the highest 3. 35, 48. 48. That means you are getting all the multiples of 3. All the multiples of 3 from 12 to 48. All the multiples of 3 from 12 to 48. 3 4s are 3 16s. What is the answer? 30. Second one. Lowest is 12, highest is 48. All are multiples of 3. 1 4 7 is 12. 1 4 10 is 15. 1 4 13 is 18. 13 16 19 is 48. Lowest is 12, highest is 48. Lowest is 12, highest is 48. Even this is also easy, sir. Fourth. Second is over. Lowest is a multiple of 3, that is 12 and 48. 3 4s are 12 to 3 16s are 48. Clear? Next. Second one. First one see. First one is easy. There is a 3-digit number BCD. BCD is given by 1/9 of A into 10 cube plus BCD, because A is there in thousands place. This will become 9 into BCD equivalent to A into 10 cube plus BCD. So this will be 8 into BCD equivalent to A into 1000. So this will become BCD equivalent to A into 125. A will take from 1 to 7 because it's a 3-digit number. So A is there in thousands place, so it is A into 10 cube plus BCD. 8 into BCD is A into 10 cube, BCD is A into 125. A cannot take 0 because A is the leftmost one. A is the leftmost one. A is the leftmost one. Clear? This is also an easy question. F of x comma y is x square plus 13y square minus 6xy minus 4y plus 2. So this can be written as x minus 3y whole square. X square over minus 6y over minus plus 9y square plus 4y square minus 4y minus 2. So this is nothing but x minus 3y whole square plus 2y minus 1 whole square plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 minus 3. X square minus 6xy plus 9y square plus 4y square minus 4y plus 1. 1 minus 3 minus 2. What is the minimum value? Because square function will always be greater than or equivalent to 0. Square function will always be greater than or equivalent to 0. Square function will always be greater than or equivalent to 0. It's clear, right? Now, next half an hour, please listen carefully.
Why the values are from 1 to 7?
Because A is a digit. digit will range from 0 to 9. Because A is the leftmost, A cannot take 0. A cannot take 8. If I take 8, BCD will be 1000. But BCD is a 3-digit number.
One more question.
Which one?
X square y equal to
X square. Okay. One more. Think it's clear, right? Now. X square y equivalent to x plus 4y plus 8. So this will be y into x square minus 4 equivalent to x plus 8. This will be x plus 2 plus 6 divided by x square minus 4. X plus 2 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 2. Or can I write it as like this? X plus 2 plus 6 divided by so this will become y into x square minus 4 equivalent to x plus 8. Okay. X plus 2 plus 6 divided by x plus 2 into x minus 2. Am I right? So this will be 1 by x minus 2. What is the next one? Plus 6 by x minus 2. Am I right?
Plus 6 by x minus 2 into x minus 2.
X square minus 4. Now what to do is x square minus 4 should be a factor of 6. Take x square minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 6. Check whether you are getting integer or not. Check whether you are getting integer or not. X square minus 4 is a factor of 6. Right.
So that 1 by x minus 2.
1 by, no, x square minus 1 is a factor of 6. You will get x value, x square minus 1 is 1, 2, 3 or 6. From there, x value you will get it out. Check it out whether you are getting that x and y, right? Left hand side integer, right hand side. Substitute and check.
But still this x minus 2.
No,
has
if you are
to be a
getting,
factor of 1. Right?
suppose x square minus 4 is 1. 6 by 1 is 6. Here it is 1 by minus 2. It will become minus 1. That means minus and plus. Check it out if y is positive. It is given x and y natural numbers, right?
Positive.